All right, everybody. Today we're going to talk about our steel house kits. I'm going to walk around this cabin here and just yip yapper away because we've been getting a lot of people asking me about the steel house kit product. So this is a video that I'm going to make and be able to send to all you guys that are asking about the Barndominiums and the steel house kits. So a lot of people call us about purchasing one of these modular cabins, just like you see it, right? But a lot of people have very specific floor plans and designs and accessibility issues and different lot sizes. So for example, I just talked to this gentleman today. They had a home on a property that burned down, and so they already had a slab poured for that specific size home. And he was inquiring about this cabin I'm walking through here, which is a 14 by 46, to see if we had something that we could take this cabin and make it wider, because he was needing a 32 by 40 size on his lot. And I told him, now we can't do that because, again, the limitations you run into with a modular home is they can only be so big to build and ship them down the highway. So the nice thing with the steel house kits, aka the steel Barndominium product, is right now with the special we have going on for $110 a square foot, you can send us your floor plan and we can create your dream home with a steel house kit product and then ship that kit to your property. And then we have our own install crew that will come out there and actually install the framing of your home on your foundation. So at $110 a square foot, when we leave, that structure, the framing of your home, will be sitting there looking at you. The interior studs will be up. The exterior framing will be up. And what we use is called zip panels, ZIP. If you guys have ever driven around any new construction homes recently, you'll notice they have like green boards on the outside of them that say zip systems or zip panels on them. And that is what we're going to enclose your steel framed home with after we erect the shell. That way the home will be dried in outside of your windows and doors. Now, here's what's really cool with what we do with your exterior windows and doors. Since everybody's so nitpicky about what kind of windows and doors that they like, as far as the brands go, we allow you to go ahead and purchase your own windows and doors. And as long as you have them on site, when our install crew is there putting up your steel house kit or your steel Barndominium kit, we will put those exterior windows and doors in for you for free. That way, again, when we leave, your home is completely dried in. It'll be totally green, like I said, because of the zip panels. The zip panels are green, and the house will be totally green and dried in, ready for your siding, whatever kind of siding you want to put on it, ready for your roof, whether you want to go with shingles or a metal roof. But you'll be completely dried in on the outside. And when you walk in through your front doors, all your steel studs will be there where all your rooms are going to be, ready for the electrician to come in and do your wiring. Okay, so again, when we're talking about a steel house kit, that is how we go about doing that. So if you're inquiring because you saw one of our Barndominium kits, and let's say, for example, just to make the math easy, it's 1,000 square foot of livable space. All you would do is take 1,000 square feet and multiply that by $110 a square foot, and that's our current price of what we would charge you to custom build that kit, ship the kit, and install that kit with the zip panels on it on your land. That way, once we leave, your electrician comes in, does the electric, gets your installation going, your sheetrock, so on and so forth. So again, at $110 a square foot, that's a very competitive rate to get you what we call in the dry, where your home is now protected from the elements and you can now have your other tradespeople go in there and finish it off. Of course, a lot of our customers buying these steel house kits plan on doing a lot of the finishing work themselves. So maybe the electrician comes and does the wiring, but then you do your own installation, you do your sheetrock, you do your mudding, your paint, put in your kitchen cabinets. A lot of people are doing that now, of course, to save money, right? So if you reached out to us interested in a steel house kit, AKA a steel Barndominium kit, and you want us to come out there and put it up, that's how we go about doing that at $110 a square foot. Again, this is not turnkey. This is just us coming out there and putting up the framing of the home. And remember too, what's neat about it is you can actually send us your plans and we can custom build that steel kit to your specific floor plans. Okay, which is really cool because basically we can make you a custom home at a fraction of the price that a custom home builder would charge you. Okay, so you send us your plans, we turn it into a steel house kit, we get you engineered plans for your county, for your state, because these things have to be built to code. So if you're in Florida, for example, we have to make sure the structure is going to be strong enough to handle 180-mile-per-hour hurricane winds. Same thing if you're in Oklahoma, right? This thing's got to be beefy enough to handle your tornadoes and all of that. California code for earthquakes, snow loads in Colorado or the UP in Michigan. Again, guys, we're going to provide engineered plans as part of this purchase when you purchase your steel Barndominium kit or steel house kit from us. Again, all this at the $110 per square foot. Okay. So someone was asking a good question later. They're like, hey, what if I want a 1,000 square foot livable home and I want another 1,000 square foot attached garage? Well, no problem. Again, since the garage is also an enclosed structure, you would just take the 1,000 square foot livable plus the 1,000 square foot garage, that's 2,000 square feet, and multiply that by $110 a square foot. Very simple. And that's what the cost would be for us to come out there and put up a 2,000 square foot structure with 1,000 livable space and 1,000 square foot garage. Okay, so again, send us your plans and let us engineer your dream home and make it happen. Another question we get on these steel house kits is what's the turnaround time? Right now, we're just at 18 weeks on average from the time you place the order for your steel house kit to the time the guys are out there installing it on your foundation. So that's one thing that's beautiful with steel is it moves a lot quicker than a traditional stick-built home. Okay. And again, with steel, as you all might or might not know, lots of advantages. You're obviously not going to worry about rot, because steel isn't going to rot. You're not going to worry about warping. Obviously with fires, right? Steel has a really high melting point, over 1,000 degrees. So lots of advantages to a steel structure. All your beams are going to be perfectly straight during the build. We don't have, and then there's very little waste, right? With a steel structure, when we show up, it's not like a wood frame home where there's dumpsters full of excess wood after everything's said and done. With steel, very little waste because the kit's going to have everything that you need in it to get it fully framed. Everything's been measured and cut on the computer, so there's no waste there. Very efficient way to build with steel. Another question we get asked a lot with the steel is, what kind of foundation can I put it on? Well, most people just plan on putting it on a slab because, again, with steel, it's very easy just to bolt that to a slab foundation and wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Now, let's say you want to go on a crawl space or you want to go on a basement. You can put a steel structure on there as well. But remember, our steel structure does not come with floor joists. It doesn't have a subfloor. So you would have to build a subfloor on top of that crawl space or basement for us to then come install this kit on top of that. Now, here's the good news. Let's say you build a crawl space or a basement. we also offer the service for $12 a square foot, where we will come out there before we put our skeleton up. We can do steel floor joists for you on top of your block crawl space foundation or basement foundation for $12 a square foot. Now again, you can just do that yourself if you don't want us to do it, but if you want us to do steel studded floor joists, we can do that as well at $12 a square foot. And a lot of people do prefer the steel floor joists because again, they'll already have the holes in them to where you could run your plumbing and your electric lines through them, not like wooden floor joists where you got to drill holes in them for your electric and plumbing and all that. So again, lots of advantages to steel, but I just wanted to make this video real quick because I keep having people calling me about getting a cabin like this, but then ending up getting a steel house kit because they're needing something more custom as far as the specifications go with different sizing, right? Because again, you will be limited with a modular home to like 14, 16 wide at the max. And then again, like we can put multiple modules together to make you a bigger square footage. But again, if you need something very specific and you have a floor plan you've fallen in love with, you can send us those plans and we can bring that to life with steel. And we could also do, a lot of people are buying a steel framed home and still making it look like a cabin, because remember, underneath these walls here is 2x6 wooden studs. You don't see them. So we could just as easily do 2x6 steel studs, and then you can do your tongue and groove pine on the inside and then your D-log siding on the outside like what you see here. And then nobody would know the difference, right? Because again, you don't see the studs in between your exterior wall and your interior wall. You don't see the studs, right? So these could easily be steel studs behind that and no one would know the difference. So we could do a steel studded or steel framed log cabin aesthetic as well. But again, we're not going to be doing the finishing on the steel. You'd have to do the tongue and groove pine on the inside with your local tradespeople and then the D-log siding on the outside, because we only do the shell with the steel house kits. We do not, again, we do not offer turnkey with the steel house kits. We just come out there, put the shell up, get the interior studs out, put your zip panels on the outside, and you're off and running to finish it up. So just wanted to make a quick explanation video because everybody's been asking me about these Barndominiums and these steel house kits. So I hope this video helps explain a lot of the frequently asked questions that I get on this product. And if it sounds interesting to you, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. And like I said, 18 weeks from the time you place your order, we can have your dream home staring at you, dried in, framed, ready to be finished, and moved into with you and your family. So again, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.